Daksh, look at all those stars. They are so beautiful.
Yeah, they are. I wonder what's out there in the universe. My dad says there's so much more beyond what we can see. Do you think we can learn about it in school?
Absolutely. My elder brother said he learned about the solar system and the planets last year. I hope we learn about it too.
That sounds exciting.
That's a great idea. But it's getting late. Let's head to bed so we can be ready to learn more in school tomorrow.
You're right. We will continue our stargazing adventure tomorrow. See you in school, Khushi.
Good morning, class. Today we are going to start an exciting new topic, our universe. Who is excited?
We all are excited, teacher.
Okay, does anyone know what Earth is?
No, ma'am, we have no idea.
Let's start with the home, the Earth. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only one known to support life. It's made up of land, water, and air. You know, kids, long ago, people thought that the Earth was flat, but later it was realized that the Earth is round in shape, like a sphere, but it's not a perfect sphere. It's slightly flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator. Do you know about the layers of the Earth's surface?
No, ma'am.
The outermost layer of the Earth is called the crust. The center of the Earth is called the core, and between the core and crust is the mantle. It is very hard and made up of molten rocks.
So, it's like a squished ball?
Exactly, Khushi.
Ma'am, but how did we find out that the Earth is round in shape?
That is a brilliant question, Daksh. I will tell you. Long ago, a sailor traveled in a ship and went forward in a straight direction. He returned to the same point from where he had started his journey. This shows that the Earth is round in shape.
Oh, that's great, ma'am. I got it now.
Tell us more, ma'am.
You know, kids, our Earth has two main movements, rotation and revolution.
What is rotation?
Rotation is the spinning of the Earth on its axis. This takes about 24 hours and is why we have day and night. The Earth spins around the Sun from west to east direction.
So, when we see the sun rise and set, is that because of the Earth's rotation?
Yes, Daksh. The side of the Earth facing the Sun has daytime and the side facing away has nighttime.
Oh, and what about revolution?
The Earth also revolves around the Sun on a fixed path called orbit. This movement of the Earth is called revolution. This journey around the Sun takes about 365 days, which is 1 year. This movement of the Earth causes the change in seasons.
So, that's why we have summer, winter, spring and autumn?
Exactly, Khushi. Now, let's talk about the Sun. The Sun is a star at the center of our solar system. It provides the heat and light that makes life on Earth possible. It's much larger than the Earth, about 109 times wider. You know, kids, the Sun is 150 million kilometers away from the Earth, and the Sun and 8 planets together form the solar system. Who can tell me the names of 8 planets?
Ma'am, I know the names of all our 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.
Yes, right, Khushi.
That's huge! And it's so bright.
Yes, it's very bright and hot. The sun's energy drives our weather and climate.
What about moon, teacher?
The moon is Earth's only natural satellite. It revolves around the Earth in a fixed orbit. It takes 27.3 days to revolve around the Earth. It has different phases, which we see as changes in its shape in the night sky.
What causes those changes?
The phases of the moon are caused by its position relative to the Earth and the Sun. As the moon orbits around the Earth, we see different portions of its surface illuminated by the sun's light.
What does that mean, ma'am?
Imagine the moon is a ball and you are holding a flashlight, which is the sun. If you move the ball around you, sometimes you will see the whole ball lit up, and the other times you will only see a part of it.
So, the different shapes we see are because of how much of the moon's lit side is visible to us?
Exactly, Daksh. When the moon is between the Earth and the Sun, the side facing us isn't lit, and we call this a new moon.
So, we can't see the moon at all during a new moon?
That's right, Khushi. As the moon moves around the Earth, we start to see a small part of the lit side, which we call a crescent moon.
And then it gets bigger?
Yes, Daksh. When half of the moon's lit side is visible, we call it a half moon or first quarter.
What about when the whole moon is lit up?
When the Earth is between the Sun and the moon and the entire sunlit side of the moon is facing us, we see a full moon. This cycle continues and the moon starts to become less visible again, going through the phases of a waning crescent until it reaches another new moon.
What about stars, ma'am?
Stars are huge balls of burning gases, mostly hydrogen and helium. The Sun is just one of billions of stars in our galaxy, the Milky Way.
So, there are more stars like the sun out there?
Yes, Daksh. Some stars are even bigger and brighter than the Sun, but they appear small because they are very far away from us. Sometimes a group of stars form a familiar shape in the sky. Such a group are called a constellation. There are 88 known constellations. Some of the major ones